Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. This video is about a gaming beast. Yes, it would be i7-8700K along with 1080 Ti. So let's just begin with the component detail and their pricing, what all component we're gonna use in this build. After that we will build the PC. So let's start with the component details. Starting with the processor, we have got the i7-8700K and this is unlocked version, 6-core 12-thread processor for 36,500 only. So that's about the processor. And for the cabinet we have got Cooler Master H500p mesh. This is gunmetal color and available for 12,800 rupees. A wonderful cabinet to start for a RGB build and quite big in size, so it can fit all the components which we'll be using today. And for the motherboard we have got Asus ROG Strix Z370F Gaming. This is a wonderful motherboard to start with Intel 7th generation and unlocked processor. It does support RGB and it is available for 17,900 rupees. And for the GPU we're gonna use MSI GTX 1080 Ti. This is 11 GB and gaming version. However, you do get the Gaming X which is this, and available for 70,000 rupees in Indian market. The Gaming X has a bit more higher base and boost clock on OC mode and gaming mode. This is available for 70,000 and this is available for 67,500 rupees only. We're gonna go with this one and save 2,500 rupees. And for the cooler we're gonna use Cooler Master Master Liquid ML240R RGB. This is an RGB cooler and it is available for 8,700 rupees in Indian market. So this is the cooler which we're gonna use for this build. For the power supply we have got Cooler Master MWE750. This is gold and fully modular, available for 7,950 rupees. So this is the power supply and will be enough for this build. And for the RAM we have got G-Skill Trident G RGB. This is 3000 MHz and this is 8x2, so 16 gigs of memory for this build. And for the SSD we have got Samsung M.2 SSD. This is 250GB NVMe SSD, available for 9,000 rupees. I would strongly recommend to go ahead with NVMe SSD for this build. Although I'll not be using this SSD during the build because I am shipping this PC to one of my customer and he already has a SSD. So I am just showing this SSD so you can understand about the complete build, and that's about the SSD. So you should use NVMe SSD which is approximately 9,250GB. And for the storage we have got WD 1TB Blue. This is available for 3,150 and will do perfectly well for storage. Alright, so that was all about the component which we're gonna use in this build. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. If in case you want to check the real-time price, please follow the link in the description box. And also we'll be using a Windows 10 which is available on our website. It is quite cheaper, so I think you should go ahead and watch the link which is there in the description box. It is quite cheaper. Windows 10 Professional or Home, OEM and Retail, so both are available. The links are in the description box below. So let's just begin with the PC build. Alright, so we're done with the PC build, and as you can see here, this is looking absolutely gorgeous and this beast is ready for gaming. For the benchmark, I will be making a dedicated video so I can show you this beast can perform really well. And I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not done yet, because it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. And all the product link are mentioned in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out the latest price. The price which I have mentioned in this video is today's price. So yeah, that's about the video, and thank you for watching till the end. Thank you again. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.